guys, welcome to my channel Mother's Flavor. My name is Nikita and today's recipe is Methi Paratha. I'm sure you guys must have seen Methi Paratha made in a way where they chop the methi and mix it in the atta. Here I'm actually making a proper stuffing, so I would definitely suggest you guys to try this out. So to make our Methi Paratha, we'll be needing the following ingredients. Firstly, 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 teaspoon of jeera, around 17 to 18 cloves of garlic, 2 chillies, 1 medium-sized onion which I have chopped, half a cup of besan, 1 cup of wheat flour to make our paratha dough, and 1 bunch of methi leaves which I have cleaned and washed it in water. So now let's get into the process of making our Methi Paratha. So now to make our paratha, first we'll have to add in some salt to our dough and about 1 teaspoon of oil, and we'll mix this. Now we'll add in our water and we'll knead this. We'll mix the water and the flour together, get into a nice ball like this, and we'll knead this. Once you are done with a small ball like this, just keep it aside. Knead the rest of the flour. After we make a nice soft dough, we again apply around a teaspoon of oil on our fingers like this, and we'll knead our dough. We'll apply some oil on this and we'll let it rest for about 10 to 15 minutes. So moving on to the next step, before we make the stuffing, first we'll have to make a nice paste of our chili garlic and our jeera. We'll add in a pinch of salt to this, and we'll make a nice paste of this using our mortar pestle. If you don't have a mortar pestle, you can use your mixer jar. So this is how the paste should look once you have done a paste of it in the mortar pestle. So to make the stuffing for our paratha, first we'll have to heat a pan. Once our pan is heated, we'll add in around 2 tablespoons of oil. Once our oil is heated, we'll add in our chopped onion and we'll saute this. Keep your flame on medium while doing all of this. After about a minute, we'll turn our flame to full low and we'll let this cook just like that. Meanwhile, we'll just go and chop our methi leaves. The reason why I haven't chopped our methi leaves beforehand is because if you chop it and keep it before, it will end up turning bitter. So while your onion or your stuffing is cooking, ensure to roughly chop your methi leaves. Now while I was chopping, our onions have turned nice and transparent. So next we will add in the paste that we made in our mortar pestle, and we'll saute this paste for about a minute or 2 on medium flame. The ingredients I forgot to mention to you guys, about 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. We'll add in our turmeric powder. Saute the turmeric powder for about 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, we will add in our chopped methi. We'll saute the methi till it reduces in its quantity. Take somewhere between 3 to 2 minutes. I've roughly chopped our methi leaves. If you want, you can even finely chop it. We'll add in salt to your taste. Now, I'm sure you guys must be wondering how is all of this going to get binded into a form of stuffing. This is where I'm going to be using our besan. So once your methi reduces in its quantity or size, we'll take our besan and we'll add it. Using my hands to add it 1 handful each time. See, the methi besan has absorbed all the water content from it, and some more. Keep your flame on medium while you're doing all of this. Don't turn your flame too high when you're doing this. Add it one more time. As soon as you see that everything is coming together like this and forming a nice stuffing, using which you can stuff your paratha. At that point of time, you should just consider that your stuffing is done and you should stop adding the besan. Here in half cup of besan, I have used only about 1/4 cup of besan. Another 1/4 cup is just there, just like that. So it also depends on the quantity of methi that you're using. Sometimes one bunch of methi will have more methi, and sometimes it will have very less methi. Now once our stuffing is coming together like this, we'll just let it cook like this on medium flame for about 2 minutes. Ensure that your besan is cooked throughout. Yeah, now as you can see, our besan has changed its color and it has cooked really well. It has started releasing its oil, which means it has cooked. How you can check that our besan is cooked is, you can hold some bits in your finger and it will not be getting stuck to your finger like this. So which means our besan is cooked. So now we'll just turn off our heat and and we let the mixture cool down. While our stuffing is cooling, we just check on our dough. Yeah, it is nicely well done and well rested. It's become really soft also. So now we'll just make some small pedas of this. Yeah, once we have done our pedas, we'll get into the next process of rolling them. First, we'll take a peda like this, roll it in between your palm like this and just press it. Just dust it with some flour and we'll roll this. Once it comes to this size, next what we'll do is, we'll take a handful of this mixture and we'll place it in between like this. We'll bring it everything together like this. And we'll just pinch this excess dough that is there and we'll just press this so that the stuffing gets spread across, and we'll again dust it in some flour and continue rolling it. At any point of time you feel your stuffing is coming out, just dust it with some more flour like this and roll it. Yeah, so now one of our paratha is done. We'll get into the process of making one more paratha. And we'll take a peda, put it in between our palms, press it with some flour and roll it. Once it comes to a desired size, just take a handful of this mixture and press it in between. And just take this, take off the excess dough that is there here, press this and roll it. Thickness of your paratha to medium, not too thick, not too thin. Now we'll get into the next process of roasting our parathas. To roast our parathas, first we have to heat a pan on medium flame. Our pan is heated. Brush it with very little oil. You can even use ghee if you want to roast the parathas. I'll just take in our paratha and just place it on this. We'll brush this end also with some oil. Keep your flame on medium or medium high if you want to. Now we'll just flip this. We'll brush this side also with some more oil. After about 3 minutes, we'll just flip this. Yeah, as you can see, our paratha is cooked really well on this side. Now we'll just press this. About 2 minutes, we'll again flip this. Yes, when this side is cooked really well. Now we'll just press on the edges so that the edges get cooked really well. Now our paratha is done. We'll just transfer this into our serving plates. We'll roast one more paratha of ours. Brush it with some oil. People really like to use a lot of oil on their parathas. I don't prefer that much of oil. If you like it, you can use more oil. We'll just flip this and we'll let it cook on that end. Meanwhile, we'll just apply some oil on this end. After about 2 minutes, we'll flip it. We let this end cook. After flipping it, you can see that our paratha is cooked very well throughout. We'll just transfer this into our serving plate and we'll turn off our heat. So there you go. Our methi paratha is ready and you can serve it with some curd, some pickle and a nice dollop of butter. I hope you guys really enjoyed the video. If you really liked the video, then do hit the like button and also do subscribe to my channel and do press the bell notification which is there right next to the subscription button so that you get the notification of all the videos as soon as I upload them. Thank you.